When that check engine light pops up on your dash, it's like your car is trying to tell you something, but only in code. Those answers are buried deep inside the vehicle's onboard computer, and an OBD2 scanner is your translator, turning cryptic data into clear insight. For anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle, whether you're a weekend DIYer or a professional working on a budget, having a reliable scanner under $200 isn't just convenient, it's a smart investment. It can catch issues early, save you money on unnecessary repairs, and give you the confidence of knowing exactly what's going on under the hood. To appreciate what makes a good scanner, it helps to understand what's going on behind that OBD2 port. Since 1996 in the US, every car and light truck has been required to have this standardized diagnostic interface. Similar systems exist globally, OBD in Europe and JOBD in Japan, but they all serve the same purpose: keeping emissions in check while monitoring engine health. The magic happens through communication protocols, the languages your car speaks. Older vehicles might use protocols like ISO 9141 or VPW, while newer models rely heavily on CAN, with the latest designs adopting faster, more advanced variants like CAN-FD and even DUIP for high-bandwidth data. The right scanner needs to understand all these languages to truly be versatile. Not all scanners are created equal, and choosing one means looking beyond flashy features. The basics come first: reading and clearing trouble codes, checking if your car's emission monitors are ready for inspection, viewing freeze-frame snapshots of what was happening when a fault occurred, and streaming live data from sensors in real time. From there, the user experience becomes just as important. Clear displays, responsive menus, and reliable apps can turn a frustrating chore into a smooth, quick process. Some budget-friendly models surprise you with extras like system-specific diagnostics for ABS or airbags, service resets for oil changes or battery swaps, and even limited bidirectional controls that let you command components directly for testing. The trick is finding the right balance of essentials and bonuses without paying for features you'll never use. For this list, the goal was simple: find the very best OBD2 scanners under $200 that give the most value for the money. Every model had to meet the price limit while delivering strong fundamentals, fast, accurate diagnostics, broad vehicle compatibility, and an easy learning curve. Extra points went to scanners that offered meaningful advanced functions, free lifetime updates, and solid manufacturer support. Real-world feedback from mechanics and DIY users weighed heavily in the decision, along with how well each scanner held up over time. After all, a great tool is one that doesn't just work on day one. It's still helping you years down the road. By the way, if you want to check out any of the scanners I mentioned, I've left direct Amazon links in the description for you. Number 5. MotoPower MP69033. The MotoPower MP69033 is a straightforward, entry-level OBD2 scanner with a 2.8-inch LCD and a simple up-down interface. It focuses on basic engine diagnostics, reading both generic and manufacturer codes, displaying freeze-frame data, showing 16 live data parameters with mini-graph capability, and checking IM readiness. In testing by car and driver, it displayed engine codes in just over 17 seconds, making it one of the faster wired options available. The screen is functional, though not high-resolution, and prioritizes clarity over aesthetics. At the time of writing, Amazon lists it with an active 20% coupon, bringing the price down from about $27 to roughly $21 to $22, depending on availability. Number 4. Innova 5410. The Innova 5410 can access more than just engine codes. It also scans ABS, SRS airbags, transmission systems, and TPMS. It provides live data such as RPM, coolant temperature, and throttle position, along with emissions readiness indicators. Users can perform certain resets, including oil light, battery, and charging system tests. Features like code priority and severity alerts help identify which issues to address first. The free Repair Solutions app offers verified fixes, parts information, and TSBs without requiring a subscription, and software updates are included at no extra cost. Number 3. Ancel BD310. The Ancel BD310 offers both wired and Bluetooth connections, allowing users to choose between a direct plug-in experience or enhanced app functionality. The built-in display is clear and easy to navigate, while the companion app provides additional tools such as live data viewing, built-in code explanations, and a heads-up display option. The BD310 can stream 18 live data PIDs, store 13 freeze-frame values, and monitor 6 IM readiness indicators. It also includes a battery test function. Bluetooth connections typically retrieve codes in under 19 seconds. At the time of writing, the BD310 is listed on Amazon at roughly 30% off, reducing the price from about $80 to around $56. Number 2. Xtool A30M. The Xtool A30M is a compact Bluetooth scanner that includes limited bidirectional control, allowing it to perform active tests on components such as windows, fuel pumps, and radiator fans. It can read and clear codes from multiple systems, including transmission, ABS, and SRS, and offers over 21 service functions such as oil resets, EPB resets, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, and injector coding. It pairs with the AnyScan app for wireless diagnostics, live data graphing, and automatic vehicle scans. The device also features a small LCD screen for battery voltage display and a built-in flashlight. It supports over 85 brands and advanced protocols like CAN-FD and FCA, with lifetime free software updates. Number 1. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro connects to a smartphone and uses a tile-style app interface to guide users through diagnostics without requiring in-app purchases. It can display real-time data, log information for later review, and read manufacturer-specific trouble codes. BlueDriver's coverage includes ABS, airbag, and transmission codes, along with regular engine diagnostics. Updates are frequent, and the product includes a warranty and customer support. At the time of writing, it is priced on Amazon at $85, down from its typical $120. If you'd like to grab any of these scanners, I've included updated Amazon links in the description so you can check the latest prices and deals.